Okay, welcome back to this next section of our paid traffic lectures. Now, we talked about Traffic for Me, which is for beginners, of course. And now we're moving on to the second solo ad vendor that I can highly recommend you use, especially if you're kind of advanced and, tried some things out. And if you feel confident with Traffic for Me and want to move on and have more control over which lists see your offer with the secret affiliate machine, this might be a very good option for you to choose from. So what I want you to do is also in the resources section on the website that I gave you access to, you want to scroll down to step number 5 and this time go to start driving traffic with Udimi. Now, the cool thing is there's a $5 discount included within this link for new customers, okay? So the solo ad provider is called Udimi. So if you click on this, you will be directed to Udimi, okay? And now it's pretty straightforward. You want to put in your email and sign up for a new account, and I'm going to do that and see you in a second. Okay, fantastic. Now we created our free Udemy account, okay? And as always, I used my name Gregson, and this is the dashboard of Udemy. Now, as you can see, it kind of is, Udemy, in contrast to Traffic for Me, is not an agency on its own. It's kind of a marketplace, okay? So what the difference basically is that with Udemy, you can actually choose which list you want to promote to, okay? And if you know what you're doing, this can be a huge gold mine, okay? Because once you found someone who offers solo ads through Udemy and you've seen great results with that specific list from that specific person, you basically built yourself a really good gold mine, okay? But if you're just starting out and don't know much about, okay, which list is the one that I should probably choose, be aware and rather go and start with Traffic for Me and learn a little bit about the different kind of list niches, okay, that there are out there. So what you want to do is you can go ahead and go to Find Sellers on the top here, okay? And as you can see, there's all of these people offering solo ads, okay? And each person has a list, okay? Or sometimes they have multiple lists, okay? But you can always message these people and start to ask questions, just very simple questions. Maybe you can ask, hey, I just wanted to know if you ever had anyone ordering traffic from you who was promoting the secret affiliate machine. And if so, how did it work out for them? Did your list convert well on this specific offer? And you want to go and build relationships with these people and ask them about previous customers and how they have seen results. And the cool thing with Udemy also is that you can go in and put in some filters, okay? So what you can do, for example, is ratings with sales, okay? So what this stands for is, as you can see only sellers who have generated sales for their customers on 100 latest solos, okay? So this is basically just as in any marketplace, once someone ordered traffic from a solo ad provider on Udemy, they can rate their experience, okay? And they can upvote and downvote, okay? And they can also put in information about if they got sales or conversions or if, nothing converted, basically. Now, what you can do is sort by the amount of people who got sales in relation to the people who ordered in total, okay? So if you put in this filter for 50% sales, what this means basically is that, let's say from this guy, Khaled, 100 people have ordered solos, okay? And 50 of those people have seen sales when driving traffic through Khaled's lists, okay, with their offers. So the higher the number, of course, the more promising the traffic source is, and the more promising the actual solo ad provider is, okay? But you can always go to 30% sales to kind of see a more wide variety of people, and you can put in your maximum price, your number of visitors you want to drive, you can choose the category, And you know, then you know, you can click on all of these people. For example, this guy Max Fimbers. You can click on his profile, and as you can see, he kind of describes his service, and so does every single one of Udemy's vendors, okay? And they give you some more information about it. And also with Udemy, you don't necessarily have to provide the email copy that they will send out to their list. They do it for you oftentimes. Not every single one of those vendors will do it, but some offer it, which is pretty nice. And then you can add some more filters. Of course, the per click cost will go up if you do that. And you can read through the ratings of other people who have previously ordered traffic from this particular solo ad vendor. And you know, it's just a little bit more advanced. You just and as you can see, as I said, you can always message these people even before ordering traffic from them. And for example, I could ask like, hey Max, as I said, you know, you can ask him, have you had anyone promoting the SAM funnel previously ordering traffic from you? And if so, how did it work out for them? Okay. And these people most likely will be more than happy to answer all of your questions, because of course they want to make money and they want to, you know, get you as a customer, which is a win-win situation, of course. Now, that's basically it, but the process is still the same, okay? Once you decided, okay, Max, this is my guy. He had people having great results with the SAM funnel, promoting through his list. I want to drive 200 visitors and select the prime filter. And again, now, if you do Udemy, for example, and you want to, if you do traffic for me and Udemy at the same time, and you want to kind of compare which one works better, you want to go back to ClickMagick and create a new link, and within the link group of your SAM funnel, and you want to put in Udemy, okay? And then you want to go and head over to tracking link and do Udemy. And your primary URL will be the same as with the traffic for me, of course, because it's the first step of your secret affiliate machine. So you can copy it from the traffic for me link and put it in the Udemy tracking link, create that link. And as you can see, now you have Udemy in here, okay? So what you want to do when you order from Udemy now, you want to copy the tracking link and put it in here, okay? Once you decided you want to order from, you know, Max or whoever you want to order from. And then you just go add to cart, and it's a pretty simple and straightforward process. Now, I want to let you know that Udemy has good support, okay? But in contrast, traffic for me wins every single time. I didn't have a situation where I contacted traffic for me and they didn't respond within at least 6 hours, okay? So, you know, depending on what you prefer, as I said, if you're a beginner, go start with traffic for me, because, you know, you most likely will not find success straight away with Udemy. But once you feel confident, go to Udemy, because it's a great resource and you can really dig deep into finding the best sellers for the secret affiliate machine, okay? Now, yeah, that's basically all about Udemy. Let me see if I have another note that I wanted to bring in here. Yeah, so no, I covered everything. Awesome. Now, we did solo ads, traffic for me, Udemy. Now in this next lecture, we're going to cover Facebook ads, which is really only if you feel very confident, have maybe driven Facebook ads before, and you want to kind of create an insanely targeted offer to driving people to the SAM funnel. But anyways, we're going to cover that, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next lecture.